got to hide your love away. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play You've Got to Hide Your Love Away by the Beatles on ukulele. The chords are really easy. It starts on a G, first finger, third string, second fret, middle finger, first string, second fret, ring finger goes between them on the second string, third fret. For the D, your first finger plays all the strings on the second fret, and your pinky plays the first string on the fifth fret. The F chord, first finger plays the second string, first fret. Middle finger plays the fourth string, second fret. And of course for the C, you're going to take your ring finger and play the first string, third fret. Strumming this, you're going to play a 6/8 pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just strumming with your finger, your thumb, whatever you strum your ukulele with. And you're going to leave out a couple like usual. 1, 2 and 3 and 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 1. So we're playing a 3-beat pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Just like that. That's simple. Now, there are a couple of moving patterns in this song. The first one happens at the end of the verse. You wind up on a D. Your pinky plays the first note on the 5th fret, first string. Then with your middle finger, play the 3rd fret, first string. And then take it off, play open. And for the last note, we're going to jump up to the 4th string and just play where this is. That way you don't have to move anything. So. The next moving pattern is on the chorus. Hey, you've got to... Now normally it's a bass pattern, but as you know there's no bass strings on the ukulele, but it fits in surprisingly easy under the G chord. So you're playing the G chord. Hey, second string, first string open, second fret, C chord. Easy. Now for the D sus, first finger goes all the way across, pinky plays 5th fret, first string like usual. But your middle finger is going to go on the second string, 3rd fret. That's your D sus 4. Pick it up for a D chord. And now to play the sus 2, we're going to pick up our pinky and move the middle finger over to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And when I go back to the D, I kind of skip the pinky. It's just easier to play that short. Most songs by the Beatles adapt very easily into other arrangements, and I think this one is particularly suitable for ukulele. Play it and have fun. Don't forget to check below the video for links to a chord chart, a play-along video that'll just help you keep time, as well as links to other videos that you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray box. If you didn't understand something, it's probably my fault. Please ask questions. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play You've Got to Hide Your Love Away by the Beatles for ukulele. Thank you for watching.